mathematicians. I'm so glad to see you. Today we're going to continue learning about Hansel and Gretel. Our target is being able to count by tens, fives, and ones, and sometimes combining those ideas together. You will need your workbook today. We'll be working in your workbook. Along with your workbook, I want you to grab your crayons. In particular, I would like you to have brown, purple, and red ready to go. If you don't have those exact colors, don't worry about it. But if you can grab them, that would be great. I'll meet you back here in just a little bit. Go ahead and pause the video. All right, friends, we're going to start with learning a little bit more about the paths that Hansel and Gretel have created in the forest. Right now, I want your listening ears on. I'm going to read you a little bit more about Hansel and Gretel. Over the last few days, we've been helping Hansel and Gretel mark the walking paths near their little house in the woods. Well, now the trails are so well marked that many people in the village nearby are starting to use the trails too. So the children decide to clean up the trails a little bit. They decided it would be nice to put in some fences and some benches and plant some pretty flowers. I want you to put that in your brain. Fences, benches, and pretty flowers. They decided that each fence section should be 10 steps long. Each bench should be 5 steps long, and each flower pot should be 1 step long. I want you to continue to watch and listen as I show you this sheet. All right, look at it. This one's called Pleasant Paths. Here's the fence I was talking about. It is 10 steps long. Here's the bench I was talking about. It is 5 steps long. And here's the flower pot I was talking about. It is just 1 step long. I want you to look at what it might look like if we place them along the path. Here's a fence for 10. A flower pot for 1 more would be 11. A bench for 5 more, that would equal 16. And then 4 more flower pots, 17, 18, 19, 20. This, friends, is the same as 2 fences put together, 10 plus 10. All right, it is time for you to get your workbook. I'll give you a moment to find page 60. Pause the video and find page 60. All right, friends, I'm glad you're back with me. Hopefully you have 3 colors of crayons with you, purple, red, and brown. This page says 10 steps on the path. We're going to work together to make some sections that are 10 steps long. I'm going to decide that as a team of first graders, that all of our fence sections are going to be purple. So go ahead and color that purple. 1 fence section equals 10 steps. I'm deciding as a first grade group that all of our benches, this represents our bench, is going to be 5 steps long, and it's going to be red. And last of all of our flower pots. Our flower pots are worth just 1, and we're going to pretend that they are brown. So here we have a fence, then a bench, then a flower pot. I'm going to pretend that I'm going to make 5 different kinds of paths. I'm going to make a really easy path to start with. I want to make a path that has 2 benches in it. What would it look like if you made a path that has 2 benches? Go ahead and color that now. Think about what color you would use and what it would look like. Pause the video if you need more time. Otherwise, I hope you colored in 1 bench of 5 and another bench of 5. Nice work. Next, I want a wonderful looking path that has just one fence along it. What would it look like if you used just one fence? What color would you make it? Go ahead and try it out. Pause the video if you need more time. Did you grab your purple crayon? Did you color in 10 cubes? This represents one fence section. All right, I want this next path to be beautiful. I want it to be 10 flower pots. That sounds like a beautiful path. What would it look like if you made a path that had just 10 beautiful flower pots on it? Go ahead and do that now, and then pause the video. Did you grab your brown crayon? Did you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 flower pots? I have to say that doesn't look very pretty. I wonder if I could mix some of these together. What if I wanted to do one bench and then 5 flower pots? Go ahead and try that, first graders. 1 bench, 5 flower pots. Pause the video if you need more time. Did you grab red for 1 bench and color in 5? Did you grab brown for 5 flower pots and color them in? All right, this last one, I'd like to mix it up a little bit. Here I did just red, just purple, just brown, then red and then brown. This time I want to start with 3 flower pots, 1 bench, and 2 flower pots. I'm going to say that again. 3 flower pots, 1 bench, and 2 more flower pots. I won't need my purple at all, so I'm going to put that off to the side. Show me what it would look like to start with 3 flower pots and then a bench. Pause the video to get that work done. All right, 3 flower pots coming up. 1, 2, 3. Then a bench for 5. There's my beautiful bench in the middle. And then last of all, I'm going to end with 2 flower pots. All right, first graders, I hope you had fun thinking about how you might beautify the path. Tomorrow we'll continue our learning and make our paths even better. See you later.